As a result of this section, you will be able to demonstrate knowledge and understanding of the requirements for the ISM code. The task facing all shipping companies is to minimize the scope of poor human decisions that contribute, directly or indirectly, to a casualty or a pollution incident. One aim should be to ensure that staff are properly informed and equipped to fulfill their operational responsibilities safely. Decisions taken ashore can be as important as those taken at sea. It is necessary to ensure that every action affecting safety or the prevention of pollution taken at any level within the company is based on a sound understanding of its consequences. The development by IMO of the International Management Code for the safe operation of ships and for pollution prevention is a reflection of this objective on the part of governments. The ISM code establishes an international standard for the safe management and operation of ships by setting rules for the organisation of company management in relation to safety and pollution prevention, and for the implementation of a safety management system. The goals of the safety management system are: establish standardised company procedures, specify commitment to safety and environmental protection, provide a reporting and tracking system for undesirable incidents, establish routines to prevent recurrence of undesirable incidents. The functional requirements for a safety management system are a safety and environmental protection policy, instructions, procedures and checklists to ensure safe operation of ships and protection of the environment in compliance with relevant international, national and port state regulations. Define levels of authority and lines of communication between and among shore and shipboard personnel. Procedures for reporting accidents and non-conformities with the provisions of this code. Procedures to prepare for and respond to emergency situations. All companies shall have a safety and environmental policy. It should describe the aim of the safety management system and also outline a strategy and plan of action to achieve and maintain the aim. Here are some key elements that such a policy can include: compliance with rules, regulations and industry guidelines, active participation by personnel in achieving high levels of safety. All activities should be done in accordance with safety management system procedures, as far as is practical. Open communication amongst crew members and with shore staff, including the designated person, is essential for improving safety. Everyone is encouraged to suggest improvements regarding policies and procedures. Training and education is important to achieve high standards of safety and environmental protection. The safety management system is continually reviewed to ensure that it is realistic and adequate to meet our objectives. The main book includes policies and procedures applicable to the whole organisation. The ship book includes procedures, routines and checklists referring to onboard operations. It can be divided into General Part, Bridge Order Book, Cargo Deck Order Book, Engine Order Book. The Vessel Response Plan includes procedures and checklists of relevant actions in case of emergencies. For example, grounding, touching bottom, collision, fire and explosion, hull failure, excessive list, equipment failure. A fundamental component of the safety management system is the designated person. This person oversees the operations of the safety management system. He or she acts as a safety valve or short fuse when there is a problem with matters concerning safety or pollution. If there are safety or pollution concerns that are not being handled appropriately on board, any crew member can contact the designated person. The designated person will then try to correct the situation. The designated person can also bring critical issues to the top management's attention without delay. The safety management system is a dynamic system. This means that the system is always constantly under development. If rules and regulations change, the vessels get new equipment, or if there is a safer way to complete a task with specified procedures, the system has to be modified. This is done by analyses of reports, suggested modifications, audits and reviews.